This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use organic harvest products effectively. Before incorporating any new product into your routine, it's crucial to perform a patch test. Apply a small amount to an inconspicuous area, like behind your ear or on your inner arm, and wait 24 hours to check for any adverse reactions. Always read the product label thoroughly for specific directions and ingredient information. Knowing your skin or hair type will also help you select the best organic harvest items for optimal results. For an effective skincare routine, begin by cleansing your face twice a day, in the morning and evening, using a gentle organic harvest face wash. This removes impurities and prepares your skin. Next, apply an organic harvest toner to help balance your skin's pH levels and tighten pores. Finish with a nourishing organic harvest moisturizer, ensuring your skin remains hydrated throughout the day and night. For specific concerns, incorporate an organic harvest serum or face oil before moisturizing. To care for your hair, start by thoroughly wetting it before applying a coin-sized amount of organic harvest shampoo. Gently massage it into your scalp to create a lather, then work it through your hair. Rinse completely until the water runs clear. Next, apply organic harvest conditioner, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends, avoiding the scalp. Leave it on for about 2 to 3 minutes to allow for deep conditioning, then rinse thoroughly for soft, manageable hair. To truly maximize the benefits of your organic harvest products, consistency is key. Use them regularly for at least 4 to 6 weeks to allow your skin and hair to adapt and show improvements. Proper storage is also important. Keep products in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain their efficacy. For enhanced results, consider using products from the same organic harvest range. Remember, a healthy diet and lifestyle also significantly contribute to your overall well-being.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.